Sawadee-krap, it's Joe in Pattaya. This is Third Road. Thought we'd just take a look around before the rain comes. Big clouds there. It's Wednesday the 15th of June. It's a new hotel just gone up there too, the Harbour. Got all the plants growing all over it. It's nearly 3 p.m. It was hot today again, but looks like it's going to rain. 33 degrees. Still quiet in Pattaya. Still the same rules. 12 o'clock close. Wear masks. Hey, you guys that play pool, snooker, that's a great place there. Legends. Oh, they're closed. Oh my God, they're shut down. The old Legends, that was good in there. We have to go to Double Kiss now on Third Road or Mega Break. It's Pattaya Klang. Let's take a look along here. Lots of massage shops along here. One of the good things about Thailand, you get a massage for so cheap. I mean, some of them as low as 80 baht. The sun's out now, but I think it's gonna rain. Hey, look at all these shops. Oh, they're like 200. I'm sure there's some up here. Hello. Soy 9, that's where Taco is. They're still fixing the footpaths everywhere. And look at the massages over there. And just here, that's where the football stadium is. They're redoing that up as well. Indoor football stadium. Redoing that. This is Pattaya Klang, of course. Look at those, 150 baht massage. Central Pattaya Road they call this, and goes to Soy Bukau, which is just here on the left. There's Soy Bukau and all the massages. Some good little restaurants around here. You've got to find them though. You wander around, it's always hot as hell. That was the old market over there. They're redoing that as well. All those little back streets. I'm sure I've done videos down there before. Oh, Joe coming through. Oh, that's the August Sweets just down in there. That you can get your pants fixed in the side of the street. Lady with a sewing machine. This joins up in a Soy 7. I'll show you in a sec. We'll head down there, have a look, because I think there's a few new things happening. Of course, you never want to end up in there. The Pattaya Memorial Hospital costs you an arm and a leg, so to speak. So make sure you got insurance if you're here on holidays. Always a good thing, just in case. The Grand Bella Hotel, that's just down there. It's close to everything, because this is Soy 7 just here. The back entrance to the hospital. That used to be all the COVID checkpoint. Yeah, it's still there, all the COVID stuff. Why they're still doing it, who knows. Let's take a look at Soy 7. This new bar on the corner's apparently reopened. The traffic's been pretty bad. Joe coming through. Look at this. The new hookup corner bar. That was a 7-Eleven. Right there. Looks great. Good change. JP in. See here. Soy 7. Look at all these clubs. Look at this strip of bars here. All by Hacienda, Nick Dean. Wow. Hopefully that'll go off. I know it's only 3 p.m. now. That's why I'm coming early. Before all the music. Blackwoods Hotel. There used to be bars there years ago. Totally different. Oh look, they've reopened on the corner. Oh la la. Will Rosie's ever open? They're for sale, they say. Big and Whistle. And all these new bars. Seems to be a few in them at night. This soy will slowly come back. You can see the signs reappearing down here. Lek Glek, Boon Bar, Buddha Bar, 1,000. Big happy Buddha. Oh, Looks a bar sign still up. Will they come back? Possibly. These will all come back, I'm sure. They're all painting. When they're painting the things and getting everything in the chairs, they're coming back. Whether that'll come back, Silver Star. And here we are down at the beach before the storm. These corner bars always do well. How's the traffic looking? Not too bad. It's on a Wednesday though. Let's take a look at the beach, guys, because Soy 8, there won't be much happening up there. Got the beachfront bars just here. It's a bit windy today. Well, of course, the storm front's coming through. See the footpath, probably too hot to walk around. But still good to be here. I hope you can all come back soon. They will change the rules. Let's hope 1st of July they get back to normal. We don't want still wearing masks. We want to get rid of that, and we want 2 o'clock closing and scrap the Thai pass, and we're all good to go. Everyone wants to come back. Look at this place waiting for you. Jet skis, banana boats, the islands. Oh, look at those clouds. Oh, there's the Aussie flag up. Exchange rates aren't going too well. I think we've all had a big crash. Share market, the dollar. Yeah, look at that storm coming. The Hilton Hotel. It's good up there. You can have, there's a cocktail bar up on the top there. Go up for cocktails. It's about 150 baht a cocktail. It's not too bad. And with the view up there. A bit of a breeze. The calm before the storm. Anyway, don't forget to check my Pattaya Joe Facebook for some extra photos. And thank you all subscribers for watching. Appreciate it all. Have a look at the traffic. There you go, not too bad. Good spot for a beer there as the sun goes down. Alright guys, take care. Suru from Pijo. Thanks everyone for watching. Over and out.